Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Longani Clinics. Today's topic is one of the most important in the homeopathic practice, that is steps in repertorization, a practical guide for students. Every homeopathic physician knows the challenge. How do we move from a list of patient symptoms to the final minimum? That's where repertorization helps, a step by step scientific approach that acts as a bridge between the patient and the remedy. This repertorization is not just the mechanical process of counting rubrics, it is the systematic, logical, and scientific approach that helps the physician move from the patient's totality to the minimum remedy. Every successful repertorization follows certain essential steps. Understanding these steps ensures the accurate and confident prescribing. The main steps in the repertorization are: the first one is a case taking. The first and the most crucial step, the case should be taken in detail, covering physical, mental, and emotional aspects. Focus on peculiar characteristic and individualized symptoms. For example, fear of being alone, thirst for small sips of water, aggravation at midnight, etc. Without a complete and accurate case, repertorization has no value. Then comes the case analysis. After case taking, symptoms are analyzed and classified. The physician differentiates between general symptoms relating to the whole person. For example, heat intolerance, desire, sleep. Then comes the particular symptoms relating to the specific organs or the parts. Mental and emotional symptoms, fears, anxieties, temperaments, etc. Then unimportant, vague, or pathological symptoms are separated. These steps help in constructing the totality of the symptoms. Then the third one is the selection of symptoms for the repertorization. Only characteristic and representative symptoms are chosen for repertorization. Symptoms are selected according to the hierarchy: mental general, physical general, particulars. Avoid overloading repertorization with too many or trivial rubrics. Next one is a selection of appropriate repertory. Choose a repertory or software based on the case type and symptom expression. For example, Kent's repertory, useful for mental and general symptoms. Then comes the Boningason's repertory, useful for the complete symptom or clinical cases. Then comes the Bogart's repertory for cases with modalities and pathological generals. Then modern digital or modern digital repertories for faster and comparative study. Then comes the selecting the right repertory ensures the relevant results. The next one is a conversion of symptoms into the rubrics. The patient's language is converted to the repertorial language. For example, fear of death. Now here you will find first mind, then fear, death of. This step demands understanding of repertorial terminology. Cross-check rubrics in the repertory to ensure the accuracy. The next one is a repertorial work analysis. Selected rubrics are entered manually or through the software. Remedies common to most rubrics are noted down. Remedies are graded according to the intensity and frequency of appearance. A repertorial chart or table is prepared showing the leading remedies. The next one is evaluation of the remedies. The most frequently appearing remedies are studied in detail. The grading and relative importance of each symptom are considered. Weightage is given to the mental and general symptoms over the particulars. Next one is a final selection and reference to Matra Medica. The top 2-3 indicated remedies are compared in Matra Medica. The remedy that matches the totality and essence of the patient is selected as the simillimum. Confirm with modalities, mental state and general feature. Next is a prescription and follow-up. The selected remedy is prescribed in the suitable potency and dose. Follow-up confirms correctness of selection and allows for future repertorial judgment. Now let's understand it through the chart. Please go through the chart. Now we will see the concluding part. So friends, repertorization is not the guesswork. It is a scientific method that connects observation, analysis and logical reasoning. When you follow these steps carefully, you move closer to the true simillimum and successful cure. Remember, a good repertorization begins with good case taking and ends with the confident prescribing. So, stay tuned for our next video, Kent's method of repertorization, the hierarchy of symptoms explained. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.